Welcome. Let's solve this question before us. Simplify the expression the square root of 1 minus the cos of x all over 1 plus the cos of x. Solution. Before we continue, please like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and please subscribe to this channel. 1 minus cos x all over 1 plus cos s square root is equal to solve this, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of 1 plus cos x is going to be 1 minus cos x. Therefore, we're going to have 1 minus cos x times 1 minus cos x all over 1 plus cos x times 1 minus cos x, which is everything is square root. This gives us 1 minus cos x square all over, this is difference of two square, a plus b, a minus b. A is 1, b is cos x, and this is equal to a square minus b square. A is 1, so 1 square is 1. I'm going to have 1 minus cos square x, which gives us, remember there's a square root, and this gives us 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x square all over 1 minus cos square x is sin square x square root. Then this is the same as writing 1 minus cos x all over sin x square, then square root. Square root cancels square root. Therefore, the answer is 1 minus cos x all over sin x. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.